house is singing. And I don't know where it's coming from. So we've got these window banks put in, window sills, and basically we're trying to fill the gap in so we don't use too much polymer and material to fill them. So but they just slot in under the windows here. And pretty nice finish, but it's just about this little space we've got. Glued down on those two strips of XPS that we put in there, and that's just a bit of weight on there to make sure it all sticks together. Pretty easy system to put in. Kind of parts are just slotted in onto the aluminium. When the rain comes, it runs down and off the lip of the windowsill. So these are the side pieces. Just the back, the protection. Have a seal on the underside. Just slide on in. He says. Make sure the seal's not getting trapped. Yep. It's pulling in the seal at the back. Okay. And that is on. It is a cold and frosty morning, and while it's -2 outside, inside we have 35 degrees upstairs because of the floor heating program that we're running, which is what I wanted to say before my battery died, as I forgot to charge it overnight. Still, you get the idea. So it's time to get that scaffolding down, almost. We're just making sure that everything's done that we need it for, and this week we should be able to dismantle it, which will be great. Gutters right now, and windowsills. Oh yeah, tiles arrived. Well, that was the last piece of wood, the last beam from the floor, just cut here, rolled them out like sideways. Was kind of the safest way to do it, and I didn't want to get back in the hole to cut wood out and then drag it out again. So it is basically done. I've just got to clean this up. Some of this will keep because I don't have any more space in the container, in the skip. So, oh yeah, and the stairs I've got to get out. Oh, I've got to cut those in half probably. Then what we'll do here is, once this is all cleared away, our digger can come back and level this whole place out here, so we can use all of this space. Still got to be a bit careful as the walls are crumbling, and they're not really cemented, they're just dry stone walls. So we have all of the windowsills that we have in place now. They're still covered with plastic like this one. Just a little bit of protection should we scratch it or anything. And the other ones, like at the front here, have been ordered, but these will be a stone windowsill. Basically here we'll have a bit of a different situation because of the veranda roof coming out over these windows, and everywhere where we will have much more contact with the windowsill we put in a stone one, so you can use it, you know, like a shelf. Put glasses on there, what have you, and a bit more hard wearing than just the aluminium. So they should be on the way, and once they get here we can stick them in place too. Everything that's laying around has got to be cleaned up, and there's lots of stuff laying around. You know how it is. Build a house, you use a lot of stuff, you don't need it all at once, so you save it on the side, and then you have to move it about 300 times because you need to get there, you need to get here, and you need to get there. So I've got this problem with the shed. I can't put stuff up at the shed because when we do all of this groundwork here, the digger's also going up the shed to finish off the groundwork up there as well. So it's like I'm going to have to do stuff like this, making piles of wood up along the shelf, there on the step here. So, and all that wood's got to go. All this rubbish has got to be delivered to the tip, and everything else has got to be cleaned up. So, and plus we're dragging these tiles into the house slowly, but they're so heavy, like each packet is about 30 kilos, so it's like by the end of the day sleep really well.